God morgon allihopa. The world is going crazy.
No.
We've gotten so much snow last night and it's still going, and apparently people aren't getting out of their houses and there are buses on the sides of the roads all over town. So I am very happy that I have a home study day today. Tyrion's gonna go to preschool, right? You're going to preschool? Yeah. Also Donald Trump is winning the election, it looks like. So yeah, the world is kind of going cray-cray. We'll see what happens with this day. So Michael's leaving Tyrion at preschool today, and he just sent me this adorable clip of Tyrion in the snow.
So close, but so far away. He's so slow.
That is so cute. I hope that they will get the snow away during the day so we have an easier time getting home later. But for now, I'm just gonna sit down and do some very focused studying because I need to. So I will see you later. It's not looking like it's gonna stop anytime soon. This is kind of crazy. So much snow. Tyrion, have you seen all the snow outside? Tyrion's home and I am actually going out now because my friend and her boyfriend are having some troubles in this weather. It's causing troubles for everyone. Yeah, he gave it away. They are stuck in traffic, so I'm gonna go get their daughter from preschool since we live close by and we have our kids at the same preschool. We figured this is what we do, we help each other. So I'm gonna get out in this crazy weather now, go get Alma. Hopefully she's okay with coming with me, and then we'll have some fun play days time at home. Okay, so I was going to show you the fact that there's basically no trail to walk, but it's all white, so I don't know if you can tell. Maybe if I do it like this. This is insane. We got a request for some painting, so that's what we're doing. Kolla! And they're so excited because they just figured out how to actually get some color or some paint on the paper.
Yippee! You do a rainbow.
Are you making a rainbow?
Jo, sådär.
Almost forgot the water. So for a little while there we thought that we would have a dinner guest for dinner tonight, but apparently the traffic picked up after a while and now Alma's mom has picked her up. So I am just making dinner for us. This is chicken meatballs with pasta, and there's gonna be a nice tomato sauce with all of this. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I feel like I should have taken advantage of the amazing crazy weather and just filmed a lot of it, but honestly I've just been studying all day and that's what I need to be doing right now. And I'm actually kind of worried for tomorrow because I have a lecture and then I'm supposed to meet with my study group, and we are gonna talk about the lecture and do an assignment for the next seminar that we have. But with this weather, and apparently it's gonna be snowing all night as well, I don't know how I'm gonna get to the university. So I guess I'll have to leave super early tomorrow morning because I have to be at the university at 9. So I normally leave at like 7:30. I'm gonna have to leave earlier than that and hope that I can get to the university. So not super happy about that. Not looking forward to it, but yeah. Just gotta do what you gotta do. This is looking pretty delicious if I do say so myself. Let's see if it is. It's pretty delicious.
Kan jag inte filma?
Oh, sorry.
Pappa leker med en liten stund.
You think he should? I think he should too.
Måste byta om först.
Let's let it change his clothes and then you can play for a few minutes before he leaves.
Sen när pappa leker med mig sen.
Nej, tåget har ramlat. Knasigt. Knasigt.
Tyrion did very good today when Michael left. He didn't cry, he didn't get sad, he just said goodbye. So progress. Please like this video if you liked it and subscribe if you want to see more of our daily vlogs, and we will see you tomorrow.
Hej då.